Hello, my YouTubers. Today we have a new video of doing an air handler Goodman mini split air conditioning and heat. That's where my wall plate will go. Those little point marks are where my anchor kits will go with my screws. Let me show you. That's the air handler we installing. It's a good man. Y para que tengan una mejor, so you guys can have a better vision or where it will go right there. Venting the living room or the entrance of the house, apartment. We are installing 3 air handlers today. This is the second one and third one. We'll go right over there. Oops. I hope I don't scare ya. It will go right there. This is how they come out when you open the package. Stay tuned. Real G air conditioning. We're going worldwide, which I help with the love of y'all. We will make it far. And we will teach you how to do it. We trying to inspire young kids to have a better future. Please like, subscribe. Thank you.